Do you eat banana every day? It is not a simple fruit, it has a nectar in it. And today I'm going to share with you 5 main important reasons why you should eat banana every day, after knowing which you will start consuming it every day in your routine.
As you all know, fruits are a very important part of our diet. It contains minerals, fibers, vitamins, which are very essential for our body. And one of this fruit, which is very important but commonly can be found everywhere, is banana. We will be talking about this fruit today. We will be understanding why banana should be consumed every day, how much amount you should eat banana, can you eat banana if you have diabetes, and also some people refrain from banana because they believe that banana can harm them. Some people think banana can increase the weight, also those who are already gaining weight. So today we'll be discussing everything in detail and the benefits of banana every day and why you should eat. Namaste everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel Prashant Jay Yoga. This is Prashant, founder of Yoga Vidya School in India. Banana, very common food, but has a strong benefits. Banana contains vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin A. It is also a good source of potassium, manganese, magnesium, and many more. The fibers present in banana strengthen your gut health, improve the digestion, and also keeps you safe, keeps you away from indigestion problems. It can help you during constipation, it can help you during diarrhea also. So let's understand one by one the benefits of banana, and then later I will tell you how much you should eat every day and can diabetes patients eat banana or not. So the first benefit in this category is improving digestive system. Bananas are very important for your digestive system because they contain dietary fibers which regulates the bowel movement, also relieve constipation. So if you are one who have a constant complaint of constipation, for you banana intake is very important every day. Eating at least one banana daily can give you good benefit. Along with this, another important quality of banana is it can be used during diarrhea. So it is not only giving you relief from constipation, at the other hand, it also prevents diarrhea. How? Because banana has natural binding effect that provide solidity to your stool. So during diarrhea, it is very recommended to eat banana, at least 2 banana. You can eat in the morning, it will help you and give you good benefit. In addition, potassium found in banana helps you to remove the waste material out from the body. Potassium also works to transport nutrients found in the food to the cells. That's why everyday banana is important. Strong digestive system you can have if you take at least 1 or 2 banana every day. According to Ayurveda, we have 3 doshas, 3 body type: Vata, Pitta and Kapha. So for Vata imbalance, for Pitta imbalance, banana is very good. During the Kapha, banana you should avoid. So Vata imbalances person can face irregular bowel movement, dryness, anxiety, stress. Regular intake of banana can give you solution to balance your Vata. Same with Pitta also. So those who feel Pitta is increased, due to which they feel certain changes in the body, such as heaviness, inflammation, heartburn, acidity, in that case banana will be very beneficial. But for Kapha increased, person should avoid banana because banana has a heavy effect. So it can give you more heaviness and also increase the Kapha nature. Another advantage of banana is it boosts the energy. Banana is extremely important because it is a natural booster. It is a source of natural energy. They contain high amount of carbohydrate which provides energy to the body very quickly. So especially those who are involved in so much physical activities such as working in a gym or climbers, runners, any athlete or swimmers, for them banana is very good. For those who are spending a lot of time in physical activities such as working in a farm, banana intake is very beneficial for them. It can keep their energy stronger, so they will not feel very weak or tired after working out. The another benefit of banana is because it has a sattvic nature. It is considered as a sattvic food according to Ayurveda. Sattvic food are those food which has positive effect in mind and body. Such food which gives you lightness, such food which gives you satisfaction, which doesn't make you heavy and tired. These are sattvic nature food. Banana is one of them. Sattvic food easily digests, doesn't root in the body and make problems to the digestion. So if you take banana every day, it can improve the sattvic quality of your mind also. It can give you mental clarity, mental purity and emotional stability. So not only physical benefit, banana gives you mental benefit also. With healthy diet, you must maintain healthy lifestyle. And yoga practices, including pranayam, asana, meditation, helps you to give this healthy lifestyle. I really suggest you to involve yourself into yoga practice. We are here to guide you. Me with my team are organizing regular yoga classes, which can be very beneficial for you to build a yogic discipline. Once your organs are healthy, they will function better. They will digest everything. In yoga, we say digestion can easily digest even the stone. But for that, you need to involve yourself into yogic practices. Pranayam can burn all the toxins in the body. That fire the prana has, you have this fire. Just you need to generate this fire through pranayam practice. I have created a beautiful pranayam course for you. You can learn all the pranayam techniques in detail and make a pranayam routine. Link is in description. Join the pranayam sadhana, join yoga sadhana, and let's live healthy life, happy life. Banana also support your bone health, especially those who are above 40. They should definitely eat banana because after 40, the bone density decreases and body reduces the amount of calcium down, due to which you feel joint pain, muscle cramp, sound in the joints. So banana intake can be beneficial in that time also. Banana contains good amount of potassium and magnesium, which strengthen the bone and improve the bone density. Potassium found in banana reduces the calcium loss in the body, which helps your bone to remain stronger. And magnesium is very important for your structural development. So bone maintenance, bone structural development, magnesium is very beneficial. Both of them are present in banana. That's the reason banana intake is very important for you. Consuming banana can directly support your bones. One more surprising benefit of banana is it can also help you to increase the weight, also help you to decrease the weight. Because of its dietary fibers, you feel full after eating banana. And because you feel full, so you don't have urge to eat extra. So those who are eating over, those who have a habit of eating over, start consuming banana every day in diet. You will stop eating over. It reduces unnecessary hunger in body, and you will reduce the intake of over calories, which are beneficial in weight loss. And if you want to gain the weight, so add banana with some dry fruits, with curd, with peanut butter. Make a mixture and take it every day. It will help you to gain your weight faster. Other benefit of those who are very low weight, those who are skinny, they eat a lot, but the body is not digesting food properly. The food is not really giving them a good shape. For them, banana intake is important. Banana also improve the kidney health. Potassium found in banana, very necessary, very important for your kidney. Potassium balances the electrolyte effect in the body, which also reduces the formation of kidney stone and also help you to release the kidney stone out from body. So those who consume banana every day can have good kidney functioning. Other benefit, good for heart health. Banana helps to regulate the blood pressure also. Regular intake of banana balances the sodium levels in the body, which is important of controlling blood pressure level. And regular intake of banana reduces the risk of hypertension, which are common factor for heart disease and strokes. Dietary fibers present in banana also reduces the cholesterol level in the body. So these are very important benefits that you must know and take banana every day. Now the question is, how many banana you should eat every day? That depends on your need of the body. If you are an athlete, if you are regular working with your body every day, good amount, practicing yoga asana or running or going for gym, then at least for 3 banana you can take for your body. You can get good nutrients. But if you are the one who doesn't much work out, so at least 2 banana you should take. Kids, 1 banana every day they should consume. Now the other question, can diabetes patient also eat banana? Yes, they can also understand. So diabetic patients must manage carbohydrate and sugar intake in the body. Banana is a natural source of sugar. That's why many people are confused. Should they eat or not? Glycemia index of banana is between 42 to 62. So if the banana is over ready, has a dark spot on it, it means the glycemia level is high. In that case, it can increase the sugar level. These banana you will avoid. But the banana which is not over ready, for example, yellow cover banana or sometimes the green banana, which are a little bit thick also, not very puffy, this banana you should take, but don't overeat. 1 banana more than enough if you are having diabetes. These are the few benefits, and I believe you understood this video. Please share and help others to understand shall they eat banana or not. I'll see you again in next video. Namaste.